There is no competition there. How can I know that I am an expert or a beginner?
Okay, okay. There you cannot find a competitor, right? So it's the because of the environment. In Hanga City, it's rare. It's once in a blue moon to see someone just working as a, graphic designer or you could say photo editor. You cannot get right. So
Oh
it's very common
boy.
thing.
Okay, I must ask a little thing that for globalization, as we are touching the competitive world, so how we can console this position of situation to cope up this growing world?
So okay, so if you want to cope up this chance or if you want to make money by designing, first of all you need to connect those kind of activities where it's going on. You know, for modern world we have got internet, and if you start on social media that Photoshop like groups, or you can say there are a lot of experts in their work and that they are showing their portfolio over there, and you will be available. If you start on Google, then you can see a lot of like website as well. So that's how you can compare your design and your photo or your photograph. You can compare there over there. Then you can justify your label. So your thing is that you never compare by Bhanga, you know. So no need to compare yourself with Bhanga's people. You can compare internationally. That's how you can make money. So it is very simple
I
thing.
have I have compared my work with internationally, but I think it's pretty standard. I do not say that it's better or best. I say it's pretty standard what I do. So I think I should start freelancing.
Yeah, exactly. You can. You have if you think that I have capability, you can start. That's it. That and then you can make money. On the contrary, I can represent something. Onto Paul is like a student right now. You can see guys, and as well he's an expert on graphic design. Photoshop. He can do that photo editing it, right?
Yeah.
So that's how he wanna support himself, and he wanna get money by designing or for selling design or doing something for himself. And this way we can also stand beside our family. If you are a student, if you are suffocated, I haven't money. How can I survive my life? How can I do something good in my life? And they are suffered. But I can say this is an example. This is a real example. Antupal, he is a good designer, and he'll be able to make money. I pray for you and to keep working and just to research on it. How can I start my work like Fiverr or Upwork, any marketplace? Okay, just keep going, man.
So
That's
maybe we
great.
can share our contact so I can get some tips.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, I will.
Obviously,
You can lock my Facebook and because
better knowledge is sharing.
yeah,
It,
yeah, I
it
will.
got boosted. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. If I have any, if you need any information, if I know that I must share with you because I'm supposed to say you're my little brother, so I can share. I love to share, so you can get information from me.
That's great. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching.